Today I'm going to be drawing a 6-7 from Steel or brainrot. So let's begin. Step number 1 is to draw a line up here for the 6. And then I'm going to make this little dent so the 6 looks more pixelated. I'm finished with 6's outline almost. So I'm just gonna go down here and make a few more of these and go up. I'm finished almost with the 6. The only thing I need to do now is to make this hole. I'm finished with the 6. Now we have to make the eye. I made the eye and now the eyeball. We are finished with the 6, but we're going to come back for detailings later. Now I'm going to draw the 6's leg. I'm finished with the 6's leg. Now we have to make its boots. I'm almost finished with the boots now. What I have to do is make the lining. I'm done with 6's boots. Now we have to do the 7. I made one side of 7. Now we have to make another. I'm gonna stop there and I'm gonna make the eye now so it looks a bit more realistic. And I'm also gonna draw the eyeball. Now I'm gonna finish the 7. We're finished with the 7 and the 6, but we need to make 7's boots and legs. I'm quickly just gonna do the same thing with the 7 like I did with the 6. For 7's boots, I'm gonna make them a bit more bigger because 7 is bigger than 6. And I'm also gonna make them go a bit behind. I'm done with the lining and I'm also done with 7's boots. Now all we need to do is make 6 and 7's hands. I'm gonna make 6's palms now and onto its fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final one, 5. We're finished with 7's arm. Now we have to all we have to do is do 6's. I'm just adding a bit more detail to 6's arm because 6's arm is going to be open, not like curved like 7's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm done with the fingers and thumb. Wait, my thumb has gone a bit nice plant, so I'm just gonna make it a bit more better. Yeah, that's way better. So now I'm done with 6 and 7, but I still need to add detailing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna add a bit more detailing. I'm done with detailing for 6, but 7's detailing has to be even more better because 7 is bigger than 6. I have to make sure this is the skinniest line that I can make. I'm not gonna do the same thing here because the arm is there. Now I just need to do this. Then we can move on to the final step. I'm done with 6 and 7. Now we have to do the final step, which is optional by the way. And it's not gonna add much to the picture, but it is optional and I'm gonna do it just to show you. You can just write 6 and 7 here. By the way, this is optional. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.